How's it going, everybody? It's your boy Davey on everything. Guys, today I'm going to be showing you guys how we built our chicken run off of our chicken coop. So stay tuned for that and watch us get down. Okay guys, so we're just going to be using the board lengths of the 2x4s I bought. So no cuts, frame up 4 walls, frame up a very simple ceiling, and then we are going to fasten it to the chicken coop. Okay, so we got our full frame is up, and we just cut our trusses. They're just gonna lay flat on their back. We've got a bracket holding us to the steel wall. We got this angle into a stake, and then we got 2 tie-in points here, 1 tie-in point here. So once these trusses are screwed in, we're gonna go ahead and we got to make a small tunnel, frame a tunnel out for our future door. So after the trusses are screwed in, we're gonna make our tunnel. Okay guys, we just put together a quick door here. This is just the rough version, but essentially it just kind of slides in and out of these rails. Okay, so we boxed this in. Obviously there's gonna be chicken wire all the way around, and then this is their little tunnel, and they come down their ramp, and their door slides open and closed. They got a little roof to stop them from raining, and yeah. Okay, Emily is starting to paint the frame here. Okay guys, we're all painted up. Next move, build a door, get our mesh on. Alrighty guys, here's the final product here. All meshed in, tunnel done. The chicken spent the day in here, our gate. We split the gate up. Hold on, can I stay here? Go on in. We got a small ramp, our door, the mesh is all the way in. So our next step will be to plant some grass. Thank you so much for coming by and checking out this video. We spent a lot of time making this chicken pen, so thank you for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff, and we'll see you on the next one.